What's going on, JP's family? Welcome to another video. I'm sorry. Right now it is 2:40 in the morning on Sunday, October 13th, and I just saw a possum cross my yard. Very nice. Um, so yeah, as I said, it's 2:40 on a Sunday morning, October 13th, 2024. Um, and you might ask, what is this guy doing at this time outside? It's chilly, but I'm getting ready to head to the airport. I am going to head down south to Florida. As all you guys know, Hurricane Milton hit Florida pretty hard a couple days ago on Wednesday. And yeah, I have family down there. It hit pretty hard, so I'm heading down there to assist my family. Um, Sorry if my voice sounds a bit weird. I'm losing my voice. Um, So yeah, but yeah, right now I'm getting ready. Well, I'm already ready. I'm just contacting my friend, my best friend. He's the one that's gonna be dropping me off at the airport. And I'm just contacting him to pick him up and head down to Manille's airport, which is I believe like 35 minutes away. Um, and head down south. I have a pretty early flight. It's a 6:45 flight. Excuse me. So yeah, this video you guys will see it probably a week later after I record it, because I do not have the means to edit down south. Obviously everything it's back home. My PC, my editing software, everything's back home. So yeah, and I'm still debating whether if I'll make it all one video or like make a two-part video or something like that. Most likely it'll be all in one video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so let's get situated here, and let's go catch this bird. All right, guys. So we'll be right back. All right, guys. Well, I made it to the airport. Now I'm an hour early before I check in. I mean, I don't necessarily need to do check in. I already did through the app. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the staff members to arrive. Then I'll ask them if I'm good to go to the gate, and I'll head over there. So yeah, I'm flying Breeze, my nearest airport to my hometown. Pretty good airline. If you guys live in the United States, you should definitely check out if Breeze goes to your nearest airport. They're a really good airline. I'll do low cost airline, but they're really good. So yeah. Yeah. So now waiting to go to the gate. I don't know. I don't know what I'm heading into down in Florida. No, I know obviously Milton did a lot of damage. But I don't know the significance of it. I know that my family down there, they got their power back last night. I believe it was like around 10 o'clock at night. They got their power back, so they were out of power for a couple days since the storm, which was on Wednesday night. They lost power. So yeah, it was like 3 days. But yeah, I guess you stick around, you'll see the rest of my trip. See what we head into. So again, today is Sunday, October 13th. And when you guys see this, I believe it might be like a week after. But yeah, most likely on Monday, October 21st. Because I get back Saturday, October 19th. And I'll edit it that Sunday. So if I finish it that day, on Sunday, it'll be that Sunday or on Monday. So stay tuned. And yeah, I'll try and make as much videos as I can to take out some more videos, put out some more videos on here on the YouTube channel for you guys. And hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. My wife and I are going to try to put out as much content as we can when that time is appropriate and able to record and do stuff. I figured that this might be a good video to see, show you guys what happened out there. So I'll catch you guys up in there in a bit. Well, like in a second for you guys, but for me it'll be an hour. So I'll see you guys here in a bit. All right, guys. Well, made it through TSA. It took about half an hour. Massive line in TSA. So now I'm walking towards the gate and to wait for my bird. I'm not sure how it's here. It's early morning flight. I usually typical early morning flights. Planes are usually stationed at the airport, and in the morning they get transferred to the gate. Was empty flight. So now we're here with the gate 26 at Bradley International. Yeah, so there you go. So I'll see you guys when I start boarding that aircraft.
Help you find your seat. Once again, welcome aboard and enjoy your flight.
Plane just boarded 6:25. Hotel 6:15. Just started 2 minutes early. Beautiful morning. So I'll show you guys the sunrise here. I can't put my camera over, but yeah. Now we'll just get ready to head out to Florida. Excuse me. And yeah, like I said earlier, I don't know what I'm going to be heading into. I don't know the extent of the damage, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the flight with me, and I'll catch you guys back when I arrive in Florida. Alright guys. as well. Near the airport, had a bit of delay on approach because the president wasn't around. But now I'm making my way out of here. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Air Force One delayed us, what a shocker, right? But yeah, we made it, navigating through this maze of an airport. Thank God I've been here many times now, but yeah, so I'll try. I'm getting myself out of here, meet up with my family, and on my way over there, take maybe some videos or some pictures and show you guys. From up in the air, I saw a lot of flooding, which it's hard to believe because a couple days, but it's a lot of flooding. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright, guys.
What's going on, JB's family? I know last time you guys saw me on camera talking to you guys, I had arrived. I was at the airport. I had arrived in Florida. Today is currently Tuesday. Well, Wednesday. It's currently Tuesday, October 15th. And my apologies that I haven't spoken to you guys. I've been really busy. Ever since, boots on the ground, I've been working around the property. There was a lot of damage. I did put some pictures, some videos around. Yeah, but they're not all. I still don't know yet how I'm gonna put them, but maybe before this, or maybe a couple before this, and then a couple after this video and whatnot. But yeah, a lot of damage. A lot of damage. I know I'm sweating like a pig right now. I just poured some concrete with my uncle. so I just poured some concrete with my uncle. So I'll show you guys that here in a bit, because obviously I can't. I'm recording from my phone and I can't flip the camera while I'm recording. I have to end that session and then record. But what I'll do is that I will take a picture of it when it's all done right now. I just poured it, so it's wet. Waiting for it to dry up, and then finish it. Obviously, it's a little ramp. It's not even big. Probably top like 1.5 yards, maybe less. It's just a little piece, because obviously one of my uncles is in a wheelchair. That with him is the one I poured the concrete. And my other uncle, he's in a walker. My grandma's in a walker. So and they're like a little ramp. They had one there, but it was all busted up. So we just they wanted to just pour it on top of that one, so we poured that. And now I'm just waiting for it to dry up, finish it up, and be done with this little project. I still got a couple of branches I gotta dispose of. As you guys can see, from up there is where a big branch fell and broke my uncle's bathroom roof. It was very big, and then there was one right here. You guys can see this there's a video of me cutting it, and cutting the one that fell here, the last piece, because I had my cousin over here with her son. When I got here on Sunday, they did a lot of that tree. So yeah, I'm just doing the other stuff, and yeah. So today's Tuesday, and I am scheduled to depart here on Saturday afternoon, almost 1:30. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. I'll take a picture of this concrete when it's done. I'm not a concrete person. I mean, I love concrete, but I'm not a concrete expert, so it won't be professional. So with that being said, don't criticize the work. I'm just doing it to help my family out. This is not a client or anything like that. Just doing it to help my family out. And also, I want to make clear that I'm not recording this to show off or have people feel pity or anything like that. I'm just, wanted to record this journey so you guys can see the damage that this hurricane did last week. It's beyond words can say, the damage that this hurricane left behind. But with that being said, guys, stay tuned. Obviously, this video will continue. I'll probably end up doing it all in one part if it's not too long. But I'll decide that on my editing. And yeah, and if it doesn't come out Sunday, it will come out Monday, but most likely on Sunday if I finish it on time. All right, guys. So yeah, continue enjoying the video. All right, guys. Well, today is Saturday, October 19th. Today is my departure date. My mission is completed down south. I am about 30 minutes from departing my family's house back to the airport. It's like a 30-minute drive or so. Maybe less. It's not too far. I believe the same distance as from my house to my nearest airport is the same distance from my family's house to Tampa International. But yeah, I completed the mission here in these like 5.5 days, because I got here Sunday morning. Airplane touchdown 10:05 on Sunday and whatnot. So I started working at the house on Sunday afternoon. The time I got home, it was like noon. And ever since, I've been working until yesterday. So yeah, so I took a video this morning of how it looks now. Obviously, you guys saw how it looked when I got here because I recorded all that. But yeah, everything worked out for good. Family was more than grateful that I was able to come down here and help them out, because they don't have much help down here. The family that's down here, they're extremely busy. They work, they have own families and whatnot, but yes, they come and help somewhat around, which very thankful for that as well. And but I took care of the rest. And yeah, it's heartbreaking that I gotta leave. I gotta go back. So I love it over here. But obviously my family's on there, my wife, my kids. I miss them. And I can't wait to see them. I'll be seeing them this afternoon, Saturday, around 6:30, because my plane touchdown at 5:40. I do have to make a stop, 40-minute layover. Nothing crazy, thank God. But yeah, so obviously the video is not gonna end here, as obviously I'm gonna record obviously take off, and the landing. And then obviously I'm gonna end the video when I get back to Bradley International, when I'm making my way down to catch my ride. I'll be ending the video there. So yeah, most likely this is all gonna be all one part, because it's like bits and pieces there. It might be a bit of a long video, nothing too crazy, but it'll be somewhat on the longer side than the short side. But yeah, I mean, this place over here is lovely. So you guys see, the house is far away, and I'm about 20 feet from the gate, and the house is so far back there. But yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos I took of how the Tampa area looked after Hurricane Milton. Obviously, it doesn't look too crazy. I did get here a little bit late. I got here Sunday. The hurricane passed Wednesday, and everyone on Thursday was already cleaning and picking up and everything. So, but I was able to record some damages around and whatnot. I couldn't, go in deep, because obviously I don't have a car over here. My uncle's the one that drove around, and my mission was to come and help my family out. But when he took me out, I recorded some stuff, and yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed so far this video. But yeah, it's not gonna end here. Obviously, I'll be back with you guys when I get to the airport. And yeah, and I will be talking to you guys when I get to Tampa International. I'll record the takeoff, landing. I'm going to Charleston, I believe. And then I'll record takeoff from there and landing at Bradley, and then I'll conclude this video when I get to Bradley. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I mean, it's gonna be pretty quick for you guys, but it's a wait for me. So I'll see you guys here. I'll see you guys here in a half a second. Alright guys, well, I'm going to the gate. Approximately 20 minutes. Since I got dropped off to me at the gate. It was pretty smooth. Well, it was smooth. I had to do check-in because I did it on the phone. I have no, I don't have to check in the bags. So I have my backpack. So yeah, now we're here waiting for the airplane. There's one park out there. I don't know if that's the one that's gonna take us, but yeah, so here we are. I'm gonna stop at, where is it? Charleston, South Carolina, and then after that, I'll be heading back home after that. So yeah, guys, I guess I'll see you guys back when I get to my hometown airport. All right, guys, see you in a minute.
Alright guys, well, finally made it to Bradley. It was really long. The layover was supposed to be like 40 minutes, so I tried to put it an hour. So yeah, I've been sitting on that plane for 4 hours, maybe more. But yeah, that's about it. Finally made it back home, safe and sound. Now I'm going to catch my ride and get out of here. So, like I said, that I was going to close out this video here when I arrived. So I hope you guys enjoyed this journey down south. Hope you found out with the cleanup and everything of Hurricane Milton. I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I mentioned at the beginning, I'm going to try and make more videos. Just really going through a lot, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.